If you want to turn your edge panels or sidebar on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, follow the simple steps. So first of all, open up your settings, scroll down to your display tab. In your display tab, we gotta find our edge panels. Here they are. Let's tap on them. So to deactivate them, simply tap on the switch. Now they will be off. To turn them back on, tap on the switch again, it shows on, and now it's back here. You can adjust it. You can tap on panels and you can choose what you want to have there: tools, clipboard, music, people, contacts, like whatever you want to. Also, you can adjust handles, position of it, lock handle position. You can choose style of it, right? You can choose transparency, size, width, so many adjustable features. So go through them and customize your edge panel just to your taste. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.